Independence Day. We are celebrating our flag hosting day. Flag hosting. Flag hosting will be done at Delhi with Prime Minister of India with the national anthem Jana Gana Mana written by Ravindranath Tagore. Jai Hind.